Everybody thinks you can only make 8-second videos with VEO3, but we're gonna show you something different.
So everybody keeps asking me, how are you making these VEO3 clips that are longer than 8 seconds? Well, I'm going to break it down for you real quick. The first thing is that you have to be inside of the Flow platform, not in Gemini. So go to Google Apps, log into your Google account, and yes, you need a Pro or Ultra account. And then either start a new project or pick up where you left off. And once you're in, go ahead and make your first clip. It doesn't matter if it's text to video or frames to video. Just go ahead and build that first clip. And once it's done, you click Add to Scene, and that drops your clip into their scene builder. And that's where the magic happens. Now, from here, there are 2 ways to actually extend your clip. The first way, which is the easiest, is to click that little plus icon at the end of your clip and just hit extend. Then you just describe what you want to happen next. But here's the catch. Right now, this only works with the VEO2 fast model, so that means no sound, and the quality's not quite as good as VEO3. But the second way, and this is the way that I've been using lately, is the frames to video hack. So at the end of your clip, or wherever you want to continue from, you hover over the little plus icon, then you click Save Frame as Asset, and that locks in a still image of that frame. Now you take that saved frame and use it as your starting point in the frames to video, and then you write your next prompt and describe what happens next. And what's worked best for me is to reuse the original prompt and only change the parts that you want to actually change. Because if you don't, things start to shift. The background changes, your character's skin tone changes, all kinds of stuff. So in my opinion, it's best to be specific every time. And once you've generated that new clip, you've got your next 8 seconds, and then you stack that right next to the last one in their scene builder, and just keep repeating this process. And once you're ready, you hit download, and it gives you one continuous scene. So basically, you can do this until you run out of credits. So is this process perfect yet? No. But it works, and I've got a feeling that the extend option is going to support VEO3 really soon. So go ahead and jump into Flow, mess around with Scene Builder, and let me know in the comments if you found a better way, or a better method, or a better tool. Let's figure this out together.